Hey, welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today, we're gonna learn how to add a voiceover to your videos. This is really easy. It's gonna take less than 2 minutes, so let's just go.
This is the best way that me and all my clients record voiceovers. This is the way you're gonna get most customized, you're gonna sound the clearest and most crisp, and it's gonna be the easiest. You don't wanna use the native feature in Final Cut Pro when you go to Window, Record Voiceover, because it's not gonna be as customizable. So instead, you're gonna wanna use your phone or an external recording device, anything that you record your voice usually on for videos. For me, I always use Voice Memos, and that's what a lot of my clients use. And then just airdrop that voice file to your computer and then drag and drop it onto your timeline, and you'll see that it imports as an audio file. Now, before you start cutting your voiceover and trimming out the words that you don't want, you're going to want to go to the audio inspector on the upper right hand and make sure voice isolation is checked. This is going to really help remove any background noise and just make your voiceover pop that much more. And now you can just cut your audio, remove ums and pauses and breaths, anything that's going to distract the viewers. And that's how we record high quality, crisp, amazing, easy voiceovers.
I hope that was helpful. If you like these types of videos, I have so many tutorials. I'll list the playlist below, and I'll see you guys back here in 2 weeks.